Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to explain how do we write numbers as one power or product of numbers as one power. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. So basically guys, I received this question on social media in which the question is to write all the following given numbers or products as one number with one power. But before I start solving this question, I will remind you guys by two important rules used in powers that I'm going to use it to solve this example. The first rule is a power n times a power m is equal to an plus m. I call this rule as same base add power. And as you see, if we have same base, we add the powers. And for example, if you have like, let's say 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 4, in this case, the answer will be 2 raised to the power 3 plus 4. Why? Because as you see, we have the same base. So all what you need to do, you add the power. So this is equal to 2 power 7. Same thing, we have another rule, which is also important here. If you have a power n all to the power m, this will give a power n times n. An example, if I have 2 power 3 raised to power 4, in this case, it will give 2 power 3 multiplied by 4. So it will give like 12. So 2 power 12. So as you see guys, these two rules are very important for us to understand how I'm going to solve the next example. And so now, if I start with the first example, we need to find 2 power 7 times 2 power 5. As you see guys, since I have the product of two numbers having the same base but different powers, so all what you need to do is to add the powers. So this will give 2 power 7 plus 5, which is equal to 2 power 12. Same thing here guys, if you look at this example, we have the same base. We have the base 3 over 5 and 3 over 5. So same thing, I will say that this will be equal to 3 over 5 and raised to the power 8 plus 9. So this will be equal to 3 over 5 raised to the power 17, because simply 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Same thing here guys, I have 9. When I have 9, this can be seen as 9 raised to the power 1. 9 power 1 multiplied by 9 power 21, it will give 9 power 1 plus 21, so it's 9 power 22. Number 4, same thing. So I have 5.1 power 4 times 5.1 power 14. So it will give 5.1 raised to the power 4 plus 14. So it's 18. Number 5, same thing here. This can be seen as 10.2 power 1 multiplied by 10 power 2 raised to the power 12. So it will give 10.2 raised to the power 13. Now number 6 is a bit different, because as you see here we have 2 power 2 and here we have 4 power 7. And as you see guys, I don't have the same base here. So to be able to solve this example, I'll try to solve or I'll try to change this quantity to, or this product to have the same base. So, but in fact guys, I can say that this is equal to 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 2 raised to the power 7. Why this one is correct? Because guys, look, 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So here I didn't change the value, I changed the form. And this is a golden rule in math. You can always change the form but not the value. So 4 is same as 2 power 2. Then as you see guys, now I have like 2 power 2 raised to the power 7. So I can go back to this rule here, to the second rule, as you see here, and say that it's equal to 2 times 7. And here, this will give in the next step as 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 14, right? And this will give 2 power 16, because here we have now, as you see, we have the same base. So it will give 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 14. So it's 2 plus 14. So it's 2 power 16. In number 7 guys, we also have the same issue. As you see, I have 8 power 2 and 6 times 16. So guys, all what you need to do, you need to try to factor. And for example, The prime factorization of 8 is 2 power 3. We know that 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, so it's given as 2 power 3 raised to the power 2. Yani, as you see, 2 power 3 power 2 is same as 8 power 2. Same thing, 16 is 2 power 4, because if you try to factor 16, 16 can be given as 8 times 2, so it's 2 power 3 times 2, so it's 2 power 4. So now after that, you start by simplifying the first term, which is 2 power 3 raised to the power 2. This will give 2 power 6, right? Multiplied by 2 power 4. And as you see, it's 2 power 6 because I used the second rule here. Now after that, guys, as you see, I have the same base, right? So all what you have to do is to add the powers. So here, all what you have to do, add the powers. So it will give 2 power 6 times 2 power 2, it will give 2 power 10. Number 8, and finally number 8, here we have 25 over 9 power 3 over 5 over 3 power 2. So look, if you look at 25 power 9, this can be simplified as what? 25 is 5 power 2, because 5 times 5 is 25. Same thing, 9 is 3 times 3, or 3 power 2. And the whole thing raised to the power 3. But here, guys, before I continue, I'll introduce one more rule so I can help you how to deal with this situation, because as you see here, we have 5 power 2 over 3 power 2. In fact, guys, we also have this important rule in powers, in which if you have a power n over b power n, this is the same as a over b power n. Yani we can combine both numbers or both quantities under one power. So in fact, this will give what? Yani, or as an example, if you go back here, we have like 5 power 2 divided by 3 power 2. So I can write this fraction as 5 over 3, because they have the same power, and the whole thing raised to the power 2. Then, if you go back here, if I go back here, so I can say that this will be equal to 5 over 3 all to the power 2, and the whole thing with the original power, which is 3, as you see here, multiplied by 5 over 3 all to the power 2. And as you see here, guys, I didn't change the value, I changed the form. I write 5 over 3 under 1 power. And now the rest is easy, because as you see here, we have a power n. So this will give 5 over 3 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 5 over 3 raised to the power 2. And then you can add the powers as you will have the same base. So the final answer will be 5 over 3 raised to the power 6 plus 2, so it's 8. Thank you for watching, guys.